a practically complete overhauling from a wardrobe that was frumpy and a figure that was dumpy and a social life that simply was appalling. I did a bit of shopping for a place that did reshaping, and I bought a thing or two on Fashion Street. Now when I look into my mirror, I think I'm getting nearer, but my inventory isn't quite complete. Got my new gown, let my hair down. All I need now is the boy. Got my silk net on my heart, set off the 5 yards of beaded crepe de chine on. Now all I need is strong arms.